Hi there. Here we are with our patient Tim. Tim is back after 1 year after we did a Max Harvest Plus procedure. You'll see his before photos. He's what's called a class 6, which means he had no hair on the top of his head a year ago. How has this change been for you?
Pretty amazing. Yeah, I was completely bald before, and you completely restored my hairline, and yeah, everybody loves it and loves the results. And
when I saw you, you look like a different person. I mean, it's like you can just see your whole face has changed. How does that make you feel when you like go interact with people and go about your regular life now?
oh yeah, like a lot more confidence, and yeah, I just it's amazing. It's just amazing results. Like, I can't believe just from one procedure I got such great results. Yeah.
And you happen to have a very challenging hair type. So one of the things that patients don't necessarily understand is they look on the website and they see my best results and they say, give me that. And I say, well, you have to have that hair. You have a very, very fine hair. And to get this type of a result with no hair, with that fine hair, is like, I'm super pleased. So I want to kind of show off the work a little bit. So what we did is we completely restored Tim's entire hairline the whole way around. He kind of has what I have, which is more of an elongated face. So I wanted to bring this down to square this off to make it look more youthful. And if you look at him from the profile, nice and youthful from the side. We took him all the way around to the other side across. So when you look at it from this side, everything looks nice and natural, blends in. Now keep in mind, this is just a single procedure. So we weren't able to fill everything. Today he's doing another procedure where we're going to come in and fill in the back. So when we do those big cases, we harvest the donor all the way from the side over here. So this is where we take the hair from. And it comes around like this. And if you want to bring the camera a little bit closer, you can, or whatever's best for you, cameraman. So you can see this little tiny trace line. That's where the hair came from. And this is what everyone's so freaked out about. They're freaked out about this little line. And as you can see, you can't even see it. It's like a perfect. You did great healing, by the way. And as long as I have you back here, tilt your head back so I can explain to the camera what's. So we started from the front and we went as far back as we can go. And everyone wants to know, well, what happens? What do you do in the back? Well, in the back, what we do is we set it up to create the natural appearance of a crown if we can't get all the way to the back. So today what we're going to do is we're going to fine tune and fill in the front, and then we're going to close off the rest of this crown. So you're talking in 2 procedures, he's going to be basically a new man from where he was completely bald to where he's going to have hair all over his head.
That's awesome.
So it's super cool. I'm super happy for you. I mean, this is literally as good as I could expect from one procedure with that hair type. So I am thrilled with the work. So what do you say to the person who's sitting at home, was on the fence thinking about doing this, that wants to do it? What do you say to that guy?
Oh yeah, no, just do it. Like, it's amazing. You'll get amazing results, and like, especially too, like, I had no hair at all, really, no hairline. Like, as soon as you get your hairline back, just with that one procedure, even, like, you'll be so happy. It's amazing. Yeah.
That's awesome. All right, well, it's because of the coronavirus, we'll do the fist bump.
Oh, okay.
Thanks for doing the video.